Hey guys, welcome back. So this is where I normally start the waterfall trail. As you can see, we've had a lot of downfall and the waterfall has turned from a little trickle into a raging monster. So I've had to go back to the car and get my wellies. The landscape has completely changed. Everything's been moved around. I normally head across here, through there. It's quite deep. So we got the C24 today, guys. I've got the budget set up. I'm using the MN99 fully proportional electronics, and I've also put some MN96 wheels and tyres on there. They're a little bit smaller. There you go, I got an MN99 one with me. They're a little bit smaller than the MN99 tyre, so they don't actually cause as much rub as the 99s would. Got a couple of mods. I've got the reverse gearbox mod on there. We've got plastic drive shafts, metal pinion and ring differential gears in there. So yeah, let's hit the trail. So we're still running the WPL 180. I'm still waiting for the 260, the MN one, to come in the post. So yeah, I'm going to be very gentle on the trigger today. Ooh. Be very, very gentle on the trigger indeed. What a gorgeous line. Oh, the water gushing through the rims, love it. Whoa, gotta be very, very gentle. I cannot wait for that 260 motor to arrive. Plenty of power there if I need it. I'll pick a better line here. There we go. Money shot. I will say there's plenty of grip in these MN96 tyres. Lots and lots of loose roots and sticks here I'm getting hooked up on, but that's part of the fun of these little trucks, and finding a nice route through. We got a bit of an incline coming up to see if it can make it. Lots of roots sticking out. This is going to be a good test for those MN96 wheels and tyres. They'll be very, very gentle indeed with the controls there. There we go. Plenty of traction out these wheels. So overall, I'm very impressed with how this little thing handled today. The MN96 wheels and tyres give it more than enough grip, and they're small enough not to rub. Let me quickly show you that. They're on borderline. They're not actually hindering the truck in any shape or form. And yeah, for a little budget setup, it's nice to have that fully proportional aspect. I'm just waiting now for that MN99 260 motor to come in, so it's not as jolty. I mean, you can get the control, but you've got to be very subtle on the trigger indeed. So yeah, just a quick one from me today, guys. Had to pick some different lines today due to the amount of water we had. But yeah, I had some great fun. And cheers for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.